Hey guys, so in this session I will show you how we can map the EPGs to the bridge domain, and also I will show you how to map the VRF to the bridge domain. So in this diagram here you can see there are some EPGs which are mapped to the bridge domain, and BDs are mapped to the VRF within the tenant. So I'll show you how we can do this with the help of the Terraform script. So we'll need to add the relation between the EPG and the bridge domain. So if you will open the EPG script, so at the bottom of this script you can see this is the relation mentioned. So in our case, while creating the EPG, we removed this line. So let me add this in our EPG script. So I'll copy this line. I will use this relation statement and will add in all the three EPGs. So here, this is our first EPG. So I'll add at the bottom, and this is the same syntax ACI bridge domain dot example dot ID because we have used the same names. So in the second EPG, I'm doing the same thing, and this is the third EPG. So I'll need to put here as well. Now I will save this and will run this file. I'll check the plan before applying the configuration. So in the plan, it is not showing any error. So it means our plan is okay and there is no error. So now here you can see it is showing that you are adding the relation for all the three EPGs. So I'll push this configuration. So my configuration is pushing to the epic. So let me verify in the epic. I'll go in tenants. Okay, so this is our tenant, ABC tenant. Now I'll go in application profile, and in the application profile, this is test AP, and under the test AP, EPGs are configured. So these are my EPGs. So I'll open one EPG, and in the policies, you need to click on general. In the general tab, you can see the BD association is there. So you can see this EPG got associated to this bridge domain. So in this way, you can configure and do the association between the EPGs and the bridge domain. Now, the next thing is to check the configuration, how to associate VRF and the bridge domain. So I'll type bridge domain, and here this is the script for the bridge domain, and under this one there is no relation command is there, so I'll need to check the references argument. So under this, or you can filter this typing VRF. So here you see it is giving this statement. So let me copy this statement. This statement will be used to associate this VRF to the PD. So I'll use the same line and I'll put this under the bridge domain. So I'll use this line is equal to, syntax will be same like this. So I'll need to put the VRF name. So the VRF name is this one, AC underscore VRF dot example dot ID. So I'll save this and we'll check the configuration. So I'll run this and we'll check if it's working or not. So it is accepting our plan, so we can use that relation command to associate the VRF to the BD. So here you can see it is showing that you are adding this relation. So now I'll push this configuration. I'll type yes and approve this. Now it is pushing the configuration. So you can see, so the configuration got pushed to the epic. Let me verify in the epic. So I'll open the networking tab. Under the networking tab, you can see bridge domain and the VRF will be there. It is, I'll open the bridge domain and we'll see it's associated to which VRF. So this is my BD. So I'll click here, and under the BD, I'll click on policy, and in the policy, here you can see VRF association got mapped to this BD. So in this way, you can associate VRF to this bridge domain.